That bitch trying to feel like that truck again. Look back up in it. The red truck right over here, look. Come over here. You see her? She's standing right up in the damn truck. He's like, what?
You know, shucked her jacket off and left all her shit in that truck. Set her shit down in that truck.
You really kidney fucking people.
I don't know, but, you know, no, Greg keeps pointing at me. Look, if I snatch her, she's getting out that truck forehead first.
Hey! Hey, we got a prison officer right here.
She's climbing back in, ain't she?
I'm gonna tell you right now, y'all might as well.
Uh-oh, she's climbing in it.
That bitch Superman.
She's on Superman.
Superman now. Oh! Hey, I guarantee I snatched her by the front of that shirt and the top of her pants.
Oh, she's throwing her bags out.
I know what's wrong with her. She needs some.
They done talked her down.
Let me break off right quick. She'll be alright. Bring it back down. No.
And she mad, she's slamming truck doors and everything.
Oh, she's mad at the truck now.
She can't crank that bitch. She don't know how to
That's my truck.
He's videotaping.
That's my truck. Yeah, I was videoing it because I didn't know if it was gonna get crazy or what.
Hold on. Hey, let me be the news reporter. This is Tyrone Jenkins on scene.
Oh, there you go. She gone now.
We got crazy one. Oh, here's the police.
Oh, it's about to
Yep,
get real.
Johnny Law.
That way.
I hope you had your morning coffee. You're gonna need it.
What? Oh, you got your morning coffee.
You're gonna need it. That's a crazy motherfucker.
I got some at the hotel. Swing back.
Afterwards, I'll buy you. I'll buy you some afterwards.
Where that red truck is? Where the red truck?
This is about to get real.
Hey, not video to me later, man.
Oh, I got that on video too. You got some donuts too? She must have wanted to go to jail. Could be doing that shit, you know? I mean, she didn't want to go to truck driving school. She's like, I'm gonna steal me a truck and go home.
They don't have no file on her nothing. She was a stowaway.
Are you kidding me? She wasn't on the list?
No!
Well, she got on the bus with us this morning at the hotel.
She got off the Greyhound.
Yeah.
When the Terry picked up,
Yeah.
up and brought him to the hotel this morning.
Oh, really?
She got off and got back on.
Oh, wow, so she's just wandering fucking stowaway.
Yeah.
That's nuts, man. That is
This is
nuts.
about to get real.
Ma'am, we're gonna need you to turn around and place your hands behind your back for your.
She's probably trying to show some ID. Got some ID.
You going to
Here's
jail.
my bus pass.
Dude, who the fuck does that?
Some psycho motherfucker.
I know, right?
That's why I don't do drugs, dude. That's one of the reasons I
Don't do drugs.
Hey, send me that
Don't
video
do
later.
drugs, kids. This is what happens.
This is what happened.
That bitch is crazy, dude. She fucking tried to steal that shit twice. Too bad she don't
Ladies
have
and
my
gentlemen,
little
this is your brain on drugs.
World star.
Just remember, drugs are bad.
Best break I've had here.
Hey, we got
Shots in the way, man. Get out of the way.
Hey, we got an ex-prison.
Here she comes.
Hey, we got an ex-prison officer over here.
No, hey, hold on. World star!
Can you see it? Oh, it's in front of us.
Everybody's standing around watching.
This is better than the 12 channels we got at the hotel. This is fucking
That's why
cops.
we have all the keys in our pockets. So
This
she
is-
can't fucking ride off.
She's trying to start that truck with her house key.
With a house key?
Yeah. She's like, I'm supposed to take this truck. What she told, well, he asked to see her CDL. She's like, I don't have it.
You
How
may
the
got
hell
a
is she
house
supposed
key.
to? You didn't even have a good fucking.
Shit, Siobhan's over here.
Oh, shit. Come on, Siobhan.
What about
So she was-
You see the girls? They're going out.
She was sitting in that class and didn't nobody say nothing to her, you know?
She went to grabbing paperwork and all.
She signed in. They said her name was like fucking Mary
there
Brown or
go
something.
another. There go back up.
out here.
There go back up.
Oh, shit.
I ain't getting away from this one.
Hold
Oh,
on.
that's the sergeant.
For future reference to all viewers, if there are more than 2 cop cars arriving on scene, your ass going to jail.
Brian's a sponsor.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Don't-
I wonder if we could drive.
That's crazy. I'm thinking she was in our class. She had me fooled.
She was in our. That's what I thought. I thought she was a new student.
Said that she didn't.
I was
she
like, oh, we
isn't in
finna get some
class.
ass.
She knew something though.
I wasn't fucking that crazy,
There
bitch.
right now.
Taser or something.
I know at the fucking hotel, right?
And got
There we go.
Oh, they're doing a sobriety test.
Are they?
They put
No, they're putting them cuffs on her right now.
Got her in handcuffs.
Ma'am, turn around and place your hands behind your back.
So she got a felony?
Are you zoomed in?
This is a felony, right?
I mean,
Hotel?
it could be. I mean, it could be.
Anything over $1,000.
No, hold on. It's attempted grand theft auto. And,
Twice. Breaking in.
and entering.
And escape from a mental facility.
Probably high on methamphetamine.
Yeah, trespassing. No. Single trespassing is just you issue a warning.
Yeah, send me that video later. That way I can rewatch that shit.
Actually at the school?
Get your ass on this property. No,
Being at the school and everything, since she wasn't supposed to be at the school, that is trespassing. Yeah, she's
Under
trespassing.
influence, she get that. though.
Hey, and this was something about a woman police officer out here.
It's a different state.
Well, guess me, she was sitting in the class, just
I know.
like.
Why did she fucking go over on the fucking
When she
bus?
got on the bus at the hotel this morning, I thought she was a
I'm telling
student.
you,
Shit.
she didn't know about that damn battery switch.
I just paid $30.
Nah, see, you almost got me.
I wouldn't fuck her for practice.
Well, that's crazy. I won't.
You say your ass here for fucking, I'm going on 3 weeks.
She would have been in the hotel when I got back. She was good as fuck.
You getting the toilet paper roll?
You were thinking about tearing that
I
ass
was
up.
just thinking, hopefully,
Richmond.
I was going to the trust fund and get some programs. Hey, go to work.
laminate that shit first.
Run up in that shit.
Yeah, strip search and turn around.
You are going to jail. I guarantee they find shit in it.
Oh my God, let it be fucking cocaine. Let it be coke.
What if she just like started running?
What if she did? She just fucking kicked
I
it.
just want to know who the 30-year-old is.
Translated right out of the country.
Ah, yes. This is the most exciting shit I've seen since I've been here.
Yeah.
Free entertainment.
Fuck yeah.
They say nothing fun ever happens in Richmond, Indiana.
Oh, dude, wait till James hears about this.
Hey, and
What was
second
that?
part for future
Didn't
reference.
sound good.
What if this
Oh.
is a
What's known as
distraction and
commercial
somebody's
company.
stealing a truck on that side?
What, lot lizard?
Yes,
Y'all
sir.
hear me? So what if this is a distraction and they're stealing a truck on
They
that
said she got off the bus, huh?
shit.
That's why we grabbed the keys.
Come from the truck stop.
Yeah.
No, someone said she got off the bus here
She
and
did.
then got on the
She
bus.
got off the bus here, but she walked from the
Who's out
truck
there
stop
running?
over.
Who's out
'Cause
there
she-
running trucks right now?
Really? This morning? So she didn't get off of the bus.
She
Oh, so
See, I thought she got off here.
That are not.
No,
She's
they're
a lot
doing
lizard.
They're doing like multiple.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.